Look at that dog. It's in pain with an arrow stuck in its body. Confused and scared, it stood in the middle of a busy road with vehicles passing by. Yet no one stopped to help. Until finally, a kind-hearted person came to its rescue. They brought the dog to the nearest hospital for treatment. Fortunately, the arrow did not hit any vital organs. After receiving medical attention and undergoing surgery, the dog's condition began to improve. Now, the dog is under care to fully recover. It looks happy and cheerful, as if it knows it has been given a second chance at life.